Welcome back to my channel. Today my son and I are showing you how to create a no-dig bed from a weedy mess that I left on purpose just for this project. My son is also going to make a trellis from these cattle panels and T-posts that he'll fix temporarily, and then we'll show you later the correct clips to use. And here he is. This is Jed, handy dandy, and he's currently fixing them with tie wraps. Once he's done this, he's then going to start placing cardboard down on the floor, making sure that it fits around everything, overlies each other so that there are no gaps for the weeds to get through. This acts as the weed suppressant. After this, I'm going to be putting on the compost that I used in another video that was hydrophobic. You'll also see here the worm compost tea that I made, also in another video. I'll link these two down in the description below. I'm using this compost tea to actually put the microbes back into this compost and also this new compost. And here we are. It's this simple. So you can see that we've now got this ready for planting. It's nice and thick, and so therefore the weeds shouldn't get through this, but if they do, they're nice and easy to just pull out. And that's as simple as it is. Now this is my own compost that I've made, and I'm just putting some of this on top because it's got all my own garden microbes in there, as well as small creatures like the worms that have already been laying cocoons, because the worms underneath are going to find it hard to get through. So these ones will already be on top. You don't have to do that layer. And just to prove the point, when I turn this over, what you'll see, there we go, nice big adult worm and a few youngsters. So they're just going to help get in there. And they'll keep breaking things down because I'm going to show you the comparison between my compost, here the darker, and the bought compost that's now a layer on top of the other compost I showed you. Because my compost is only a few months old, but you can already see that it's actually much better compost than the one that I've bought. It's a better quality in its construction and the way that it's already been broken down and its water holding abilities. So when you're buying compost, try and make sure that you get one as good quality as possible, because as you can see, this is full of material that hasn't been broken down. So I need those worms and all the other creatures to be helping me do that, because I'm going to have to amend these beds for quite a long while, and I know that because I've had to do it with my others. However, we can still plant into this once I've got this compost spread out, and you'll be able to do that with any compost you buy, but be prepared to have to keep topping it up. Making our own compost is always so beneficial. So here we are, the bed is done, the trellis is up, and now we're just ready to plant it. So I have peas at the back, snow peas actually, and then I have beetroot and some lettuce because I've got time before I actually get everything else in for the summer. I've also got the netting on. Oh, here are the clips that you need to have for the permanent fixing. But yeah, I'm protecting this bed because I have a pigeon who's rather naughty and pulls everything out. Here I just wanted to show you I placed a piece of string. This will degrade over the summer, but by that time these peas will have already well established and clung on to the support. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a go and find it beneficial, and let me know in the comments what you're planting this summer. Bye for now.